Issues with iCloud backup? Here are 9 tips on how to fix it. Check iCloud storage space. Open the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID. Select iCloud. Check how much storage space you have left. Then tap on iCloud Backup. Select your device and check the estimated size for the next backup. If the backup needs more storage, delete any data you don't need to make more space. You can also upgrade the iCloud plan. Check your network connection. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the middle bottom. Tap on the airplane icon. Wait for a few seconds and turn off the feature. When your iPhone connects to the internet again, check if the connection is stable and try to back up to iCloud again. Turn off the low power mode and low data mode. To disable the low power mode, open the Settings app and go to Battery. Turn off the low power mode. To disable the low data mode for cellular, go to Mobile Data. Tap on Mobile Data Options. Turn off low data mode. To disable the low data mode for Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. Tap on the information icon next to your network. Turn off low data mode. Force restart iPhone. If the problem is due to a minor glitch or a bug in the system, a forced restart should help remove it. Is the iCloud server available? Check the iCloud backup server status. You can do that by visiting Apple's system status page. It can be down due to maintenance or experiencing a glitch. Sign out and back into Apple ID. Go to iPhone settings and tap on your Apple ID. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. Enter the password and tap on Turn Off. Select if you want to keep a copy of your data, tap on Sign Out, and confirm the action. Then, sign into your Apple ID again. Disable VPN. Open the iPhone Settings app, turn off VPN. Update iPhone. Go to the Settings app, go to General Settings, then tap on Software Update. Wait while your iPhone searches for updates. If you find any, update the iOS. Backup data to a computer and reset the iPhone to factory settings. To back up your iPhone to Mac, connect your iPhone to a Mac with a cable. Open the Finder window and select your iPhone name from the sidebar. If asked, click Trust. Then, unlock your iPhone, tap Trust, and enter the passcode. In the Finder window, in the Backup section, check Backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Click Backup now and wait until the backing up is finished. To back up your iPhone to a Windows PC, connect your iPhone to a PC with a cable. Open iTunes. Allow your computer to access info on your iPhone. Unlock the iPhone, tap on Trust and enter the passcode. Then click on a phone icon located at the top bar. In the Summary section, under Backups, click on Backup Now. Wait until the backing up is finished. To restore the iPhone to factory settings, go to the Settings app and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue and follow the instructions to erase your device. When the process is finished, follow the instructions to set it up again and restore your backed up data from your Mac or PC. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.